Hello everyone, welcome to episode 57 on how to make a GTA 5-star game in Unity 3D. Today we're going to not do the quests. Today we're going to do something on custom editors, which are basically, or custom inspectors rather, which are, so say I click on the game manager, I would have custom things in there, like I can have buttons or whatever. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to have an objective custom editor. So if we click on our bowling, you'll see that we have go. So what we want to have is, when we have type selected as go, we want to have the distance. If we have type selected as kill, then nothing. And type selected as get in, then nothing. Yeah, you get the point. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do that. So what we're going to do is go into scripts, create a new folder, name it editor. It needs to be in the editor folder, otherwise we cannot use the Unity editor namespace. So now we right click it and create a new script and just name it something like objective editor, like that. No, objective editor, and then open it. Obviously got to open a script to be able to edit it. Okay, so now it's opened, where we have the using Unity engine and using systems.collection.gen. Sorry about that. So where we have the Unity engine and the system.collections, you want to go using Unity editor. Okay, so that is what gives us all the editor functions. So then you want to go where we have public class, the name of the class, and then colon mono behavior. I want to replace mono behavior with simply is it custom editor or editor? It's just editor, it seems. Lovely. So now above that, we need to do an attribute. Attributes begin with the square brackets, and it needs to be custom editor. Okay, so you open bracket and then you got the parameter. And the parameter is the type, like the script, whatever the type of script it is. So you're going to do type of, which will convert like a class name to a type. What was it? I've completely forgotten that. It's very useful. Do I have it open? I don't. Damn it. So good at this. Let's see if I can find it. Objective, quest objective, I think that was it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Come on. Yes, quest objective. Okay, and then so you obviously got to close the bracket and then close the square bracket, and there we have it. So now get rid of everything within the class and go override void, and then you're going to have a list of the override voids, and we want to do override void on inspector GUI. So that is basically the method that draws the GUI, the parameters and everything, the properties for the script. So what we can do is just do base on inspector GUI and that will draw everything, but we don't want that at all. What we want is we want the ability to select what objective type we are, and then obviously the strings and that, and then we show the different things that are determined by what it is. So what we're going to do first are the strings. So all we need to do is editor GUI layout. GUI layout and GUI are two different things. GUI, you have to position everything yourself. GUI layout, it does it automatically. Yeah. Dot text area, I think it is, and then we go. Aha! Now we need to do something. We need to go public quest objective target. Okay, and then in the inspector GUI at the very top we go target equals, and then we need to do a cast. We need to cast the target variable, which is a variable that belongs to the editor with a lowercase t, to the quest objective. So then we go target with the lowercase t, and you'll see that it's just an object. So there we go. So that will convert the object target to the target, our target that is of type quest objective. So the first parameter of the text area needs to be target dot, what was it? It was objective name dot objective name, and then we can do okay, apparently we can't. I thought that was a thing. Maybe not. Maybe it's text field that does that. Let's have a look. See that? Text field. Does that have a label? One of them certainly does. Here we go. Text label. Okay, so we're going to change the first parameter to objective name in the speech marks, and then the target objective name. Okay, and then at the beginning of that, before the editor GUI layout, we need to go target.objective name equals that, because the text field will return a string. Okay, and then you want to just copy and paste that and replace objective name with objective description, and do the same for the second parameter, and then the label will be objective description. So if we press save and go back into the editor, let it compile, you will see that multi-object editing is not supported apparently. Lovely. Okay, there we go. You can see we have objective name and objective description. Good. Cool. Next thing, enums. Right, so we go target.type equals editor GUI layout dot enum popup, I think it is. Enum popup, yep, that's perfect. And then we need to do a cast here. We need to cast it as quest objective.type. That's apparently not a thing. That's because I probably didn't make it public. So go into the quest objective script. Oh, I did. Never mind. Close that out. Sorry, it is indeed just objective type. So we cast it as that. And then we set the parameter as the target.type. Okay, so now we need to find the string label, and that is now the first parameter. So the label will be known as objective type, and then comment separator out, and then we semicolon, and we have a red underline. What is wrong with that? Aha. Now we need to cast the actual return of the enum pop-up. So we go, actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? We can get rid of the cast at the second parameter, get rid of that, and put it at the beginning, just after we do type equals, yeah. So now if we press save and go back, you'll see that hopefully, there we go, objective type, go, kill, get in. Cool. So now we need to go back into our quest objective script, and if you don't want to have to, yeah, you're going to see if we click on an object with the quest objective, we can no longer edit it. You can either go into the project, or you can actually right click it, or just go edit script. So yeah, it's good. So now we go public float go distance. Okay, so that'll be the distance away that we need to be if it is set as go. So back into the objective editor, we go if target.type is equal to objective type dot go. We then go target dot go distance equals editor GUI layout dot float field. Okay, and then we've got to find the string label again. So string, that will be the distance, just name it distance, and then the value will simply be target.go distance. There we go. So now that will only show up if the type is set to go. So if we go back in, compile, there we go, and then we go kill, it's not there, get in, it's not there, but we select go, and it is there. Cool. So that's it for today. I thought I'd just show you how to do custom editors, because they are very, very useful. There are things like editor windows as well, much like the scene view or the hierarchy. Yeah, like that. They are so useful, and they are very important in Unity when you're making things. I'm good with words. So yeah, how long has this been going? 9 minutes, perfect. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Next episode we'll actually be doing the quest again, and we'll be checking the distance, so the quest can be finished, or check that you've killed a thing. So check the quest can be finished, or check that you got in a car or whatever. Check that it's finished. Cool. And then we'll obviously have to go on to the next objective, and if there is no next objective, the quest will finish. If there is, that objective will start. You get the point. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, then please leave a like. If not, then dislike, or don't leave a like and let me know why you didn't like it so I can improve. If you haven't already, then please subscribe. That would be so useful. There'll be new episodes of these every Tuesday, providing the time you're watching this I haven't actually finished the series. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.